In today's digitally connected world, capturing attention and sustaining engagement has become an art mastered by social media platforms. But what if we could harness that addictive allure to transform the way we learn? As we've witnessed the overwhelming success of apps like Duolingo, which use psychological techniques akin to those of social media to foster language acquisition, it begs the question, how can we make learning as addictive as scrolling through our favorite apps? Learning, traditionally seen as a necessity, often lacks the allure that draws individuals to spend hours on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or addictive mobile games. However, the potential to make educational content similarly irresistible is not beyond reach. By integrating elements that trigger motivation, engagement, and consistency, we can revolutionize the learning experience. Firstly, the concept of streaks, a powerful psychological mechanism, could be employed. The same way users strive to maintain a streak on social media by posting or engaging daily, learners can be encouraged to maintain consistent learning habits. Incorporating streaks into educational platforms like Duolingo has proven effective, fostering daily engagement and commitment to learning. Notifications, often viewed negatively due to their intrusive nature, could be strategically utilized. Instead of bombarding users with spammy alerts, targeted and encouraging notifications could remind learners of their progress, upcoming challenges, or even offer rewards for completing certain milestones. These notifications act as gentle nudges, guiding individuals back to their learning journey. Moreover, the gamification of learning content could transform the educational landscape. Just as mobile games use levels, achievements, and rewards to keep users hooked, educational content could adopt similar strategies. By turning learning modules into interactive, engaging experiences with instant feedback and gratification upon completion, we can make the process more enticing. The personal touch also plays a crucial role. Tailoring content to suit individual preferences and learning styles, just as social media algorithms curate feeds based on user interests, enhances engagement. Customized learning paths could captivate learners by offering relevant, enjoyable content that matches their specific needs and desires. However, the aim isn't to replicate the addictiveness of social media entirely. Instead, it's to capitalize on the engaging elements while staying true to the essence of learning. Encouraging curiosity, critical thinking, and fostering a sense of accomplishment and progress are fundamental aspects that must not be compromised. The success of platforms like Duolingo is proof that engaging educational content can attract millions. With a thoughtful blend of technological innovation, behavioral psychology, and educational expertise, the possibilities for making learning as addictive as social media are limitless. In summary, reimagining education to be as captivating as social media requires a paradigm shift. By employing streaks, strategic notifications, gamification, personalization, and innovation in content delivery, we can transform learning into an irresistible journey of discovery and growth.